y'all, it's Blake with Beauty and Style Network. Today we are doing a holiday this or that special.
Snow or no snow?
Snow. I love playing in the snow. It's so fun. I personally love to build a snowman, and I think it just makes it feel more Christmassy with snow.
Real tree or a fake tree?
Fake tree. I like the flocked Christmas tree look, and I feel like with a real tree, unless it actually has snow on it, it's not really gonna look like that.
Giving gifts or getting gifts?
100% giving. I think that is my favorite thing about the holidays. It's just seeing people's face when they open up their presents. I love that. I get a thrill from that. It just makes my heart happy. I think that's a huge reason why I love being a stylist. There's just something about turning the chair around and that client seeing themselves for the first time with their new look. It just makes my heart happy.
Hot chocolate or eggnog?
Hot chocolate. I actually tried eggnog for the first time, I think last week, and I wasn't really a fan. I feel like it's like big and everyone loves it, but I'm not on that train. I'm not on the train for that. I'm on the hot chocolate train.
Christmas movies, Christmas music?
Both. I would say my favorite Christmas movie is Christmas Vacation. That one is a classic and I love it. And now as an adult, I understand Clark Griswold, and I understand why he did what he did, and I think that just makes the movie that much better. I would say Christmas music because my family is very musically inclined and we love getting together and singing Christmas music together. And if I had to do Christmas karaoke, the first song I'm gonna choose is All I Want for Christmas Is You by Mariah Carey. Thanks for watching Beauty and Style Network. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what your favorite holiday traditions are. Make sure to ring the bell so you never miss uploads, and I'll see you next Wednesday. I'm sorry.
That's crazy.
It's thick. Swallowing like a booger. Ugh.